Once upon a time, in a cozy little house on Maple Street, there lived two curious siblings, Lily and Ben. One stormy night, as the wind howled and rain pattered against the windows, they heard a strange sound echoing through the corridors. It was a soft tap 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 that seemed to come from the attic above. Lily and Ben exchanged puzzled glances, but their curiosity got the better of them. With flashlights in hand, they tiptoed up the creaky stairs, their hearts pounding with anticipation. In the attic, they discovered an old, dusty trunk hidden beneath a pile of forgotten belongings. As they opened it, the tap 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 grew louder, and to their amazement, they found a tiny mouse trapped inside. The poor creature had accidentally gotten stuck in the trunk and was tapping for help. Lily and Ben carefully freed the mouse, who squeaked gratefully before scurrying away into the night. With the mystery solved, the siblings laughed in relief, realizing that sometimes the strangest sounds have the simplest explanations. From that night on, whenever they heard a mysterious noise, Lily and Ben knew it might just be a tiny friend in need of help.